I'm Dr. Bikram Grewal, I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I was born and raised in India, and then I did my med school in Mumbai. And then after finishing med school, I worked for World Health Organization. Then I went to England for 2 years. I did my basic surgical training over there. And then I moved to USA in 2005. And then I did my orthopedic residency training at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. Then I did my fellowship in sports medicine and joints at the Houston Clinic in Columbus, Georgia. So I always wanted to be a doctor, but once I went into medical school, I really liked the anatomy, and I liked this whole how the muscles, tendons, and ligaments came together and made our body move. So I was fascinated by that. So I like doing rotator cuff repairs, shoulder instability procedures, bank heart repairs, AC joint injuries, and at knees I do a lot of arthroscopic ACL reconstruction, meniscus repairs, multi-ligament reconstruction, and for joint replacements I do predominantly shoulders, hips, or knees, and I also do quite a bit of fractures, including your arms or legs. I don't do pelvic injuries a lot, but if they're simple enough, I can take care of them. Patients from all age groups. I think kids, starting with kids who break their elbows or forearms, wrist fractures, or leg fractures, that's very common in the kids. And that can easily be treated majority of times without surgery. But even if I need surgery, it can be taken care of. Then coming to teenagers, or as you grow older, there's a lot of sports injuries that I really have a great interest in, that I can take care of that. Any ACL injuries, rotator cuff, or shoulder instability, I can take care of those. Then as you age further on, comes complications with cartilage injuries, where you may need microfracture or some sort of stem cell therapy, that can be taken care of. For joints, arthritis, you can have replacement surgeries, which I can do. I think there's a need for doctors here. There's not enough doctors in this place. I think this is a great place to start and help reach out to the community and help them educate orthopedics and about various conditions and do lifestyle modifications. I'll be practicing in Lillington, and I'll be serving the Harnett County population and the nearby areas. The way I like to treat my patients is I tell them about all the options, what's available, what's on the table, from non-surgeries to all the surgical lists. I try to initially treat them without surgery. As much as I can, I try to avoid doing surgery. And I try to tell them my opinion. If I give them all the options and let them decide what they want to go with. But I would recommend one or the other option based on how I would treat my own family member. Whatever age, I have family members at all age groups, so I just pretend like if they are having the same problem as my patient, and whatever options are, I give them my best recommendation. And I try to tell them all the benefits and risks, but I believe the surgery should be your last option, regardless whatever the problem is, unless it is a fracture that's way out of place that you definitely need surgery. But every other condition, majority of them can be taken care of without surgery. You don't need surgery for everything.